Hello everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to connect Shopify with Mailchimp. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So connecting Shopify with Mailchimp is pretty easy. First, what you need to do is search for Mailchimp in here. On the top search bar, you can see we have directly showing up Mailchimp. So let's just search that in Shopify App Store anyway, so you get a better idea. You can see the very first option. Now to connect it, all you need to do is simply click on this install button, and boom, you are done. So that's how easily you can connect Shopify with Mailchimp. If you want to learn more about Mailchimp and how it works and basically its operation, then let us know in the comments below. I will make a video onto that as well. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.